Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel. My name is Lydia. If today is your first time here, and I hope you all are doing well, and in this video I'll be sharing with you how to make chicken biryani. Very delicious and simple recipe, and I hope you will enjoy this recipe. And please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment if you like this recipe and for more amazing videos. So let's get started. For the ingredients, I'll be using chicken thighs, and I have about 8 to 10 chicken thighs. So I'm going to be marinating it with 6 tablespoons of biryani masala, 1 tablespoon of ground cumin, 1 tablespoon of ground coriander, 1 tablespoon of paprika powder, 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of salt, about 2 tablespoons of oil, and 1 cup of plain yogurt, two tablespoons of ginger paste and 2 tablespoons of garlic paste. I'll mix it all together and I'll cover and set it aside. So in the bowl I have half a teaspoon of food color, and to it I'm going to add clear water, and I'll be using half a tablespoon and 2 tablespoons of water. You can also use rose water. I'll mix it up and set it aside. And for the food color, it's optional. Food color is not very healthy, but it adds color to the food, which makes it looks nice, but it's optional. Next, to a saucepan, I'll add 5 tablespoons of oil. I'll wait for it to heat up. To it, I'll add 1 large sliced onion, and I'm using red onion, and I'll be frying it for about 5 to 10 minutes until it's lightly brown. So it's all done, and I'll set it aside. Next, I'll add another 2 tablespoons of oil, and to it I'll add some bay leaves. Next, I'll add in the marinated chicken thighs and fry for about 5 to 10 minutes. Next, I'll be adding in 8 green chilies, which is also optional, and to it I'll add in 1 medium chopped onions, 1 cup of coriander, 1 cup of mint, and I'll give it a stir. I'll cover and let it cook for another few minutes. So it's been cooking for about 5 minutes. Next, I'll add in the fried onions. And at this point, I'll let it simmer on a low heat. So for the rice, I'll be adding in 1 cinnamon stick, 4 cardamom seed, 1 tablespoon of cloves, 1 tablespoon of mustard seed in a string bag. So I have my water boiling. I'm using about 4 cups of water, and I've added in my spices and also half a tablespoon of salt. Next, I'll add in 2 cups of basmati rice, and I'll be cooking it on the low heat for about 10 minutes. So next, I'll strain it and set it aside. And now in another bowl, I'll start by laying the rice and the sauce. And the onion, fried onion, coriander leaves and mint leaves. And now I'll add another layer of the rice. And another sauce. So I'll repeat it until it's all done. And lastly, I'll add the coriander and the mint leaves. The fried onions. And the food color. So you slowly add in the food color. And about 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. I'll cover and let it simmer on a low heat for about 5 minutes. And after 5 minutes, I let it sit to cool down. And now I'm going to stir it gently, starting from the bottom. And you don't have to mix it all up. You have to see some of the white grains. So part of the rice will be white. You don't have to mix all up. And I hope you are enjoying this recipe. It's so tasty and very, very delicious. And also very colorful. So this is a very simple chicken biryani. Now also be leaving the ingredients in the description. And I hope you will enjoy this recipe. Very flavorful and simple to make. And I hope you will enjoy it. Very, very delicious. Just look at it. So delicious, looking colorful, and it's full of flavor. So thank you all so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and give me a thumbs up if you like this recipe. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.